What are you doing? You're pulling out?
Yeah, something I don't normally do.
Unusual. There it goes.
And somebody told me, you're going to have to disassemble all this to get that out.
Shut up.
You know better than to argue with me.
You.
Yeah.
Because I would have lost. But look at that. How's this actually...
Go ahead. No, go ahead. Seriously. The springs will stop jerking off Joey. I mean,
What? Jesus Christ. Oh, God.
But I mean...
Hey, have you ever watched... Totally off topic.
Okay, you were busy jerking off Joey. Oh, by the way, totally off topic.
Bapcat?
What the hell is that?
Where it's the cat with the sunglasses?
No.
And they lay out like 4 cards of humanity cards in front of him?
I don't, no.
So the guy reads one of them, and the cat like does that to one of them?
Oh, yeah.
Cards, and
yeah.
the guy, every fucking time, it's fucking hilarious.
I mean, okay, you see
Anyway.
that cable's just dangling, right?
Yeah. Sorry, I had to give a shout out to Bapcat, because I was cracking up. I almost fell off the toilet the other day.
Yeah.
That thing's done. Done! For-cocked! For-cocked!
You said cock.
Scotty was just cocked.
But I'm bummed.
Giving and receiving. Anyway.
But yes, Joey, when you get the chance, I'll tell you about my little Marine.
Ooh. So, Joey, maybe you got to text Mr. Scotty here. Get the deets. I've been having to listen to it all damn morning. Anyway.
Well, I was born and raised in the military.
Show me. Wait. Okay. Let's get on topic real quick. Show Joey his cable. Oh, yeah.
But I'm bummed.
Look, when it's not a ship.
I mean, yeah, this one.
Look at that, when it's not junk.
And I mean...
Look, it actually works.
Yeah, that's...
Oh, that's going to be so much better.
Oops, sorry.
Oh, Scotty.
Sorry, Joey. I
thought you were a top. You're not supposed to make that noise.
I am a top. On top
And
of
if he
this,
was
on top.
if he was Jewish, he'd be a dreidel.
I would just put something on it and spin.
Anyway, let's show the new cable. Alan from Mustang Country.
Yes, thank you, Alan, of course.
The man, the myth, the legend. He always takes good care of us.
So, sorry.
That's perfect. Perfecto. We got to pair
Look,
it
it grows
down.
it short. It grows it short. It grows it short.
Jesus.
Whoopsie.
All right.
Sorry, I was having a little bit of fun with Joey's cable.
Okay. Anyway, so Scotty's going to get the cable in back here and routed. And then he's going to tackle the other side. Calm down. It's early.
It's never too early for that. Ever.
Oh, Jesus. So you don't have to live with people. So he's going to get that handled. And then, once that's done, I think this baby gets a bath.
Yeah.
And Joey can take her home, because that was the last thing.
Yeah, exactly. All right, well then...
And she fired up good and ran good,
yeah.
because Nick fired her up Saturday to move her in here. So.
But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, and Joey, as always, love you.